Hello and welcome to another dashcam video from Adventures with TCS. I'm Tom and today be riding along with me as I drive on I-70 in western Colorado. Well, first of all, I'd like to say welcome to my channel. And this video is something you find entertaining, I'd encourage you to check out some of my other videos from this trip or other road trips I have taken. I'd also appreciate it if you could support my channel and the creation of more videos just like this one by clicking that like button and maybe becoming a subscriber as well. Lastly, I'd also like to thank you for taking the time out of your day to travel along with me on some of the best highways that America has to offer. So this video begins on I-70 heading east from Glenwood Springs. From here, we'll enter the amazing Glenwood Canyon, arguably the most scenic 12 miles of the interstate system. We'll follow I-70 as it weaves its way through the canyon along the beautiful Colorado River, a real marvel of modern day engineering. After exiting the canyon, this video will end near Dotsero. This video is from the 8th day of my adventure to the west coast and back, which has featured a handful of beautiful national parks and monuments, but also thousands of miles of dashcam video just like this one, including I-15 along St. George to Cedar City, and also I-10 as it enters the Coachella Valley. If you missed any of those videos, be sure to check out the playlist from this trip to catch up. Also make sure to check out the video description to see a list of places we have been or are going to be, and also other ways to support the channel. Finally, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any videos from this or future trips as well. But for now, I'm going to keep driving east on I-70 in colorful Colorado. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please help me out by clicking that like button. In the next video from this trip, you'll be able to experience Glenwood Canyon in every direction in the last 360 video from this trip, so make sure you're subscribed so you can join me on that adventure. But for now, thanks again for watching, and until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.